Vlogs family, what is cracking here in Liverpool Street with my boy NJ Vision. Say what's up. 1:30, the sun is out. We are shooting today for a couple of things, guys. We've got the tech rope obviously, and we've got some new legacy rope colorways. So we've come to the city to storyboard and create something kind of sick, right?
Yeah, we've got some big video coming.
Hopefully it's gonna be good, man. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Next week is the launch, so we've got a week to prepare starting from today. And yeah, man, we're trying to hope for this sun to go down. Normally I complain about the weather here in the UK, man, but
we need some cloud.
We need some clouds. Super harsh for the cameras. Well, then what we're gonna do is start to set up shop, buy some traffic lights. This is Liverpool Street, a lot of people, lunchtime. This is the main kind of business quarter, banks.
It's Friday, people are gonna be jumping off work.
Yeah, it's Friday as well, so it's good vibes here though, man. It's really nice. Yeah. Checking the forecast here. Supposedly supposed to be cloudy from about 2 o'clock, it's now 1:30.
It's too sunny, bro.
It's really sunny, right? Still waiting for this cloud to come. 10 minutes in, we're just standing in the middle of the road like chokers. Yeah, it's gonna be great now for a long time. Guys, big up again if you came to Rope Rush or if you watched the Rope Rush vlog. This guy smashed it. A few of you were asking on my stories, I think you were getting messages as well. We nearly lost all the footage from Rope Rush last Saturday. All the first 2 hours of it anyway. There's a bit of a panic. There's a lot. Bit of a panic moment. If you were interviewed and you're wondering where you were in the interview, there was like sound issues. There's a lot of things that kind of went.
Yeah, it was stress.
It was a little bit of stress, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Next Rope Rush is coming soon. We're planning the city and Hyde Park in July, right? So it's coming.
Hyde Park.
So appreciation for the Rope Rush crew, everyone who came down. That's the first shot there, peeps. That looks nice. One. I like that actually. I like that with the red bus as well. Very Londony. Check these out, folks. Oh, wow, look how fresh that is, man.
Yo.
Check it out. So we got some new legacy rope packaging. Full box with this kind of like film around it, so it protects the box in transit. So before we used to have the sleeves that go on the boxes, but now we've got like a full box, all branded. What do you think, man?
Oh, these are clean.
It's mad, right?
Really nice.
So these are new colorways, so we're going to be filming this hopefully if we get time later on today. But today we need this bad boy. My boy.
Nice.
Nice, right? iPhone cable used to tie up the rope. We're trying to make it look neat in the bag. DIY, man.
DIY.
We got some good shots, right?
Crazy good shots. Took a while, but it's worth it.
So we just moved from the traffic lights. We're going to go find another quieter spot now. And what's the kind of backstory to this shoot then? What we trying to?
This shoot?
This kind of, yeah. So what's the idea behind the tech rope? We're looking for kind of grey skies. We're looking for kind of dark.
A very like muted look in the colours.
Yeah.
Very cinematic shots and with very hard to find cuts in the video.
Yeah.
To really emphasise the product.
We've got the music. We've got the song down, and we've already storyboarded everything yesterday, literally to the second. So it's going to be a 1 minute video, exactly on the minute. So we've been planning really well today. Planned the weather right. Yep. It's really sunny, which is not what we planned. Then we tried to come to a quiet location. And what we've done, Friday afternoon, 2:30, lunchtime, peak hours around the city.
Everyone going for it.
To be fair, I think we're going over there, so that's kind of quiet there, so that's cool work. Look at these vibes, people, man. This is London in the summer. There's always table tennis tables everywhere in like this area, right? Another table tennis table, see? I'm just hoping this new microphone's working well on this camera. What I've done is I've put this dead cat thing on top of this camera. Normally the wind kills every footage, every freaking recording I do on this camera. So today I'm using this new thing I stuck on there. So I'm hoping you guys can hear me. What do you reckon, we shooting here?
We'll get some shots here, yeah. Around this pillar. Then pan around. We're gonna get some wide shots, some top shots and some low shots and see what works best in the post-production.
I love this structure. You can't skip like this on this channel, mate.
You haven't taught me how to skip.
I have. You got to watch.
I should get special lessons.
I think we're gonna have to do a series with you. It's not bad. You got better. Look at this guy, man. Stop disrespecting my rope, mate. Another one. I've just got updates from some of the people that have bought this on Amazon USA. That the app has been kind of playing up a bit. So I'll speak to the developers. There's basically a firmware update that you guys have to put on this rope. So if you're from America, you're probably gonna be the only people that actually have this rope. So if you're from America watching this, go to the Amazon description page or email me directly. I'm going to show you how to do the firmware update. Really sorry for that. This is the reason why we do soft launches as well, guys, because if I promoted this or pushed it out for the whole world and then this firmware came out, it'd have been mayhem. So again, apologies for that. Go on Amazon, on the description it's going to be step-by-steps, like 4 simple steps just to update the firmware, and it's a more powerful kind of software update to make sure that the rope works well. So that's just what I want to say. Mate, you know I trained like legs like 2 days ago and it's absolutely killing me, man. It's like the worst day to shoot. I know you guys cuss me about my calves, man, but you don't know about my quads. Little stealth bottle. What do you think about this bottle? It's a sample right now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring it out. Comes with a little compartment for your car's money.
I gotta run 10k on these on Monday.
Nathan's running 10k on Monday.
London 10k.
He's doing that running thing that we don't freaking talk about on his channel.
Allow it. Like, fitness should be encouraged in all aspects and forms.
Well said. They run, we fly, Nathan.
Yeah.
Taking a little break here, teaching Nathan crossovers. He's so gangly. He's just lanky. Cross and then uncross your hands. There you go. Here you go, man. Welcome to skipping. 1,083 skips so far for this shoot. It's not bad, right?
It's alright.
Did a bit of work. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Going to shoot the last bit of the video, and then hopefully get some little bits out for the legacy rope. Get some food.
Yo, these shoots, I just want to say, they're quite tiring.
Is that what you're gonna say?
Yeah.
You let them know that you're working.
Yeah, like, it's intense. Because like, you retake, reset,
true, man.
reset, retake, doing the same thing over and over.
So I've just checked the rope right now. I've done 1,700 skips.
Just in the shoot.
1,700 just to get like a clip that will probably take 10 seconds, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
20 seconds maybe on the video. It's crazy, man.
It's a lot of skipping.
A lot of skipping. I'm glad we got a rope as well that can count what the hell you're doing. That's kind of cool, right?
Sure, man.
In the middle of London, mate.
Man.
Yeah, I'll speak to you soon.
Yo, see you later, Michael. Cheers, bro.
What a guy, man. Guys, you won't believe just what happened. We're just there filming in the middle of the road like we do. Nathan's getting ready to like get killed by buses and cabs, and this cab driver just rolls past us and goes, yo, dude, I got 2 of your ropes. And we were like, nah. How crazy was that?
Yo, it was actually insane.
Hey,
Just out of nowhere.
out of nowhere. And I was like, shit, bro, what's your name? He's like, I got 2 of your heavy ropes. And then he just drove off into the sunset like a boss, man. Yeah, we tried to grab this. I'm having fun here in the middle of the road, man.
Yo, we're getting so many looks.
Right, we've done tech rope's done, Nathan.
Yeah.
Finally.
Finally.
About an hour to get our last shot. It's done. We're now going to take some quick clips of the legacy rope. I'm going to show you guys what this rope, what the new colorways look like. You're going to get a chance to see which colors you guys prefer. Right, so look, so you get the clear kind of film now. The box is fresh. That's the pink one. That's what it looks like in the packaging. How bright that is, man. You see it? That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some quick shots of all 3, and then you guys choose which one you like the most.
You haters just in the crowd, but till I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? They felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Whoa. I feel it coming now. It's too late to shut it down. I'm waiting about now. Burning the valley down. I don't know where my mind is.
I'm dead, bruv.
What an interesting day.
Decided to finish up and show you guys a legacy rope at the end of a flipping
3 heavy ropes.
3 heavy ropes to finish off a day of filming.
Yeah, but it's some good content.
Good content, man.
Very good content.
2,500 skips recording on the tech rope. This guy surely smashed it.
Yeah.
We spent our day on the middle of the streets of London to get you guys some good fucking quality, man. Excuse my French.
This video that's gonna drop, it's gonna be next level.
Hopefully.
Next level.
Hopefully you guys can see it soon. Next week maybe.
Give me a second, I'm trying to select the appropriate weapon. Watch where you stepping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize, I don't understand. Are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site. Grab all your people and log in. I'm waiting, don't care how long it's gonna take. Watching and waiting for that first mistake. Don't come up missing. Don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position. I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive. Heat of the night. Now is the time. Don't try to hide, cause I'm gonna harm you like an animal.
Which one do you guys like most? Green, orange, pink? What do you like?
Low key, I like the green.
Green, yeah?
Yeah, the green.
Green. There you have it, guys. Next Saturday, June the 1st. He's actually going. Bye, Nathan. What is happening, family? It is midnight, literally midnight at the gym right now in Croydon. It's a 24-hour gym. Gym is pumping, to be fair, right now. Like, it's Ramadan, so a lot of people are just breaking their fast and getting in their training a little bit after they eat. But you've seen the kind of day in the life. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you see this is the only time that I've had recently to come and train, literally midnight. It's just mental right now. I need to kind of fix up on, I guess, my work, life, leisure, routine, balance, everything. But right now I'm gonna come in, get some more skipping done. On the promo shoot today, the tech rope registered 2,500, so 2,500 skips. I'm gonna set it now to 1,000 and get that done. And it's pretty simple, guys. I'm gonna love using this rope for the next kind of few months. The goal is to stay in this lean, athletic kind of shape. For me, it's kind of difficult, to be honest with you, to put on a lot of muscle mass because I just don't have the ability right now to keep eating through the day. But I'm gonna be aiming to kind of put on a little bit more weight for the next few months. That's the goal anyway. So hopefully you can hear me. The tunes are kind of blazing right now, but gonna get the workout in. That is the workout done, guys. I've now got the app open and I just can't even talk right now. Look how much sweat is coming out my face. 1,000 skips done. If I click this middle button now, so 1,010, so I did a few double unders to finish it off. Click the middle button, it gives me the stats. Oh my God, I'm just looking at the camera right now. I can't believe how much I'm sweating. 6 minutes of skipping, guys. Completed 1,000 skips in that 6 minutes. It's calculated the fat burnt in terms of grammage, so 13 grams of fat burnt. 100 calories in 6 minutes, which is rapid. Usually I used to run on the treadmill. I think it was about 11 or 12 kilometers an hour. I used to complete 10 minutes of that, I remember, on the treadmill back in the days, and that used to be about 100 calories. And my reps per minute, or my revolutions per minute, is around 150. So as simple as that, guys, to use this rope. Do make sure that if you are copying next week for the launch, it's Saturday, June the 1st, 4 p.m. UK time, and to make sure that you update your firmware when you do get the product. Damn, I don't know if I can actually do weights after this, man. This has been a long and tiring day. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that day in the life. Without further ado, I'll see you in the next video, so take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace. proud moment, guys. I've just had this pop up on my Insta feed. Not sure if it kind of focused, but it's from a guy called Leo who's been to both Road Rush events. Really nice guy, super humble, just got a really nice vibe about him. He just posted this up, showing us a lot of love. He was giving a skipping class in his gym, so it's called Nuffield, which is a massive chain of gyms in the UK, and it's just a big moment, man. Super proud that he's just doing his thing, pushing the vision along, growing the movement for us. And if anyone out there like yourselves who have this type of motivation to do the same thing, to pick up a rope, get your friends involved, get a group of people involved, go to your gym, just promote it, guys. Don't feel shy, don't feel scared. Just go out there, make yourself available. This is all about creating history, guys. I've said it from day one. It's about growing this movement. It's about sharing the vision. And people like Leo are just doing such an amazing job. They've got other people as well out there doing similar things. But I love the fact that we've got this notion of the jump rope coach growing across the world. And I'm just hoping that more and more people get involved, do the same thing, inspire and motivate friends and family. So big up, Leo. I know, well, I hope you're watching. And yeah, really proud of you, mate.